Built something amazing in LEGO Digital Designer and need to share or reopen your creation? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these LGE model files from LEGO's virtual building application. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful LGE file inspection tool. LGE files are 3D model files created by LEGO Digital Designer LDD, the free virtual LEGO building application that was developed by the LEGO Group. They contain virtual LEGO brick assemblies with piece identification numbers, color assignments, and spatial positioning data for digital LEGO constructions and building instructions. LEGO Digital Designer LGE files use an XML-based format within a compressed container, storing brick element references by LEGO part ID, with transformation matrices for position and rotation color, assignment codes, and assembly grouping data. The format represents the complete virtual LEGO model with standard LEGO brick dimensions. The proprietary opener for the LGE file structure is typically BrickLink Studio by the LEGO Group. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows may show only basic details, so full examination still requires dedicated 3D modeling software. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the LGE file and select Open with. Test BrickLink Studio if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. If you cannot access the LGE file, no problem. Since this LGE format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, opening in LEGO Digital Designer. Download LEGO Digital Designer from LEGO's website if still available, and open the LGE file using File then Open. The 3D model displays with all bricks placed and colored as designed. Rotate, zoom, and modify the model using LDD's building tools and brick palette interface. Next, using BrickLink Studio. Since LEGO Digital Designer has been discontinued, migrate LGE files to BrickLink Studio 2.0, which imports LDD models. Open Studio and use File, then Import then LDD file to load the LGE model. Studio provides an updated building environment with current brick libraries, rendering capabilities, and instruction generation. Finally, generating building instructions. After opening the model in BrickLink Studio, use the instruction maker to generate step-by-step building instructions. Studio automatically sequences the assembly and creates paginated visual instructions that can be exported to PDF for sharing with others who want to build the model with physical LEGO bricks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.